How to use picture-in-picture feature. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use picture-in-picture feature in iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Picture-in-picture shrinks a video into a smaller player so you can keep watching while using other apps on your mobile device. You can move the small player around your device's home screen and position it over other apps. In order to enable picture-in-picture, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Now, tap on General. You will then see the option for Picture-in-Picture. Tap on that and go ahead and toggle on the button for Start PiP automatically. Now, when you swipe up to go to home or use other apps, videos, FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture. So this is how you can use picture-in-picture feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.